Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this easy red velvet cake. I'm super excited to show you guys this recipe, knowing that it's back from the 19th century. This cake is actually really easy to make. As you can tell, it looks and is really delicious. So without further ado, let's just get on with today's video. After that, we mix butter with eggs, vanilla, and salt. Now we're going to be adding flour, cacao, baking powder, and sodium carbonate to our mean bowl. Now we're going to be adding to our buttermilk some 1 teaspoon of food coloring. Make sure to not add too much because it does give it a bad taste. And we're also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar to our buttermilk. Now we're going to be splitting our cake into two different bowls. Make sure to split them both equally, so that we would bake them from 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Now we're mixing our cream cheese, which is Philadelphia, to 5 tablespoons of sugar powder and 7 grams of vanilla together. Then we're going to be adding 400 milliliters of our whipped cream. If your whipped cream is not sweet, then you should add some sugar. Okay guys, so now we're going to be adding our cake to the freezer for 1 hour so that we can finally decorate it at the end. We used some raspberries for decoration and some raffaello. We're decorating the cake with the left cream cheese that we had. It turned out to be really beautiful, and we also used, as I told you before, some raspberries and raffaello chocolate to decorate our cake. You can of course decorate your cake with whatever you have, whatever you like, and whatever you can afford. The decoration of course depends on what you like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video until the end. Before we end this video, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year full with love and joy. So this is how the cake turned out to be in the inside. It was really beautiful, and I hope you guys all try out this recipe because trust me, it's awesome. And as you saw from the video, it was really easy to make it. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.